Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I want to demonstrate to you the difference between a biodegradable reusable paper towel and a disposable paper towel. As a cosmetic formulator, I use a lot of paper towel, and you know, to keep contamination at bay we should use lots of paper towel, as you all know. But I was just thinking, okay, even though we use paper towel when we're making formulation to prevent contamination, there should be a way to reduce our paper towel usage to make the world a better place. Okay, as you all know, all those things are ending up in the landfill and is adding to global warming. So each one of us should find a way to live in a simple way, in a way such as to prevent, you know, contaminating our landfill. This is ending up in the ocean and it's not making the world a better place. So that's why I encourage living this way. So how do we use, what's the difference between this and this? So I went to the store yesterday and I picked this up. So I had it up till today to show it to you that you can easily, you know, dump your paper towel for a reusable paper towel. So everything I saw on yesterday sound interesting. It's machine washable. This is a biodegradable reusable paper towel. You know, according to it, you can use it 300 times. So each pile, you can use each pile 300 times. This you can only use maybe one or twice. So this is much better for the environment. This is not too good for the environment. This is not too good for the environment, sorry about that. So I'm going to just open it to you and see how they hold up, dirt, and how they clean well. So we're going to cut this. I'm going to demonstrate to you right here. You can see this at your local store, or look in the description box below for where to get your own. So this one that I picked up at my local store here in Canada cost me $8.99, and this one, a pack of 6, cost me $4.99. So let's go ahead and see how both of them hold up. So here is a biodegradable one, this is a reusable one. So I'm going to use this to clean. Okay, going to use it to clean, then I'm going to wash it right in front of you, and I'm going to see how well he holds up that. Okay, now a good test of it is to wash both of them, okay, with water and soap. So we're going to do that right here, and we're going to see which of them hold up better. So I'm going to demonstrate to you how both of them, this is the biodegradable paper towel and this is a reusable paper towel. I'm going to demonstrate to you how both of them hold up to water, and especially when you put soap on both of them. Why I encourage this, just like I said before, it just helps the world. It makes the world a better place. Okay, it reduces landfill, and it reduces the garbage we have in our ocean, and this is what contributes to landfill and global warming. So each one of us can do our part to make the world a better place by limiting, you know, garbage, and by choosing reusable materials. Okay, especially when you're at home. This is biodegradable, this is reusable, and this is disposable. Okay, now, so I have this. Let's go with this first. Let's first go with this. Let's adjust. So I have this here in water. So if I squeeze it, that is my disposable paper towel. As you can see, it's soft. Being the first time, this is a strong brand, so we expect it to hold up to water and so on. So here is our reusable. Let's get into the water. Okay, it's more like a cloth. Okay, so when you squeeze it, it still retains the structure well. As you can see, the structure is still intact. So you can easily use this to clean your desk, you know, clean debts easily, just like I'm doing here. Clean up dirty mess, and all you have to do then is to wash it. Okay, all you have to do, let me just zoom this a bit more so you can see my desk. Okay, so you can easily, as you can see, it's clean really well. So I will remove this off our way. So use it to clean your desk. As a matter of fact, I'm going to spray isopropyl alcohol on it, on both of them, and see how they hold up. Okay, as a skincare brand owner, just like some of you, I like, you know, biodegradable plastics, and it just helps when my customers buy my product. I always encourage them to find a way to reuse the package, you know, just reduce, you know, waste. Okay, I believe in zero waste. Reduce waste, find a way to reuse. And if I use this to clean the desk, you know, use it to clean your desk, it's just like you can't use it that much. You know, this is the disposable. When you wash it, even though this is a very strong brand, okay, you just cannot, as you say, it's just going to cut off. It's going to remain useless with time. And this is the reusable one, very strong, just like cloth, right? You know, it's very absorbent. It absorbs, it cleans better. You know, I'm not promoting this product, that's why I'm not recommending any product. You can see a link for where to buy your own in the description box, and you can also buy in your local, you know, food store. I bought this here at Winners at Dixie Outlet Mall in Mississauga, Ontario, Canada. So as you can see, the disposable one hold on more to water. Now I'm going to do one thing that's going to probably destroy both of them and see what stands better. Okay, so I personally like this. It's more like a washcloth that's soft or fluffy, you know. So now let's put first, I'm going to try soap on each of them. So I'm going to put a diluted liquid Castile soap. This is a strong brand, so we expect it to hold up more. That's fine. Okay, but I know with time it's just going to tear. As you see, it's going to tear apart. It's just the way it is. It's soft. It's not meant to be reused several times. So use it to clean your desk. Clean your utensil as usual. It's just, as you see, there's water, and let me even squeeze it more. You can see the water is still all over the place. Now let's take out and use the reusable one. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm not going to be partial. I'm going to put a bit of diluted soap. The squeeze is still retaining structure. Now let's clean the desk. As you can see, it didn't leave too much traces of water mess, even though I squeezed both of them the same way, right? Look in the description box below for where to get your own. I noticed it's a bit cheaper online on Amazon, okay, than it is at the local store. Okay, and the good thing about this is when you want to use it, you just use two of them, or you can even use one. The good thing is, because it's reusable, you can use one 300 times. That's the good thing about it. It's cost effective, okay? It's not as if you are wasting your money. So that's why I encourage every skincare brand owner, or even mothers or fathers, everyone that uses paper towel, to choose reusable paper towel, okay? Choose reusable. You are saving your money, you are not contributing to landfill, you are making the world a better place. Like my brand, Pure Blend Naturals, will believe in zero waste. And when you embrace reusable, paper towels or reusable packaging, you are making the world a better place. Okay, so we squeeze it, that's fine. So what we'll do now, again, I can tell you right now, the disposable one cannot even stand all this. It's here already dying by the side. Okay, see, the disposable one is already dying by the side, so it's all right. Now I want to sanitize it. I have isopropyl alcohol 70%, spray it on top of it. Okay, I want to see how it holds up to that, to further sanitize my work desk. And it's doing a pretty good job. Oh my god, just look at how clean this desk is, right? So just want to demonstrate to you that I want you all, my friends, my students, my mates, my fellow skincare brand owner, my fellow businesswomen, let's embrace zero waste living. It's just going to make the world a better place. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you want to see where to buy your own reusable paper towel, right, look in the description box below. This is just a precious waste of money. From now on, I'm not going to use this anymore. Buy to disposable one. I'm going to start using this, okay, because it makes the world a better place. You can use one, just one, okay, 300 times more. Okay, that's about it for this video. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button to subscribe to my upcoming cosmetic formulation video. On this channel, I give you useful tips for having a good life. Yeah, I give you skincare tips, I give you cosmetic formulation tips. Okay, and that's about it for this channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.